In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign in your Twitter account. So firstly, type Twitter on any browser, then click on twitter.com. Here you will find option sign up and login. So if you want to sign in, click on login. Enter your phone, email or username and enter in here your password. Then click on login. That's it. So by this quick and very simple easy method we can know how to sign in Twitter account. Very simple method and steps. Type twitter.com, then click on login. Enter your phone, email or username, then password, then click on login. That's it. Thanks for watching.